Welcome back. In today's Excel tutorial, I'll be showing you how to freeze rows and columns in your spreadsheet. If you have a data set that looks something like this, with a lot of data either going vertically or horizontally, you might run into the problem of having the column headers disappear when you scroll down if your dataset is especially large. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can freeze either the row or the column. Thankfully, it's nice and simple. For this example, we've got date, customers, and revenue, and we've got all the data in this table. If we scroll down, you can see we lose these headers, and it's nice to keep them so we can keep updated with what these columns actually mean. It's a nice and simple example, but in a complex data set, you might run into problems when you don't have the headers visible. So to freeze this row, we need to select the row below it. We're going to click the furthest left number, and it should get a selection that looks like this. You can see we've got row 8, we want row 7 to be the top row, so when we scroll down we'll see row 7, but we need to select the one below that for this to work properly. We're then going to go to the View tab at the top, and then find where it says Freeze Panes. Click on that and it will bring up 3 options. We don't need to worry about the bottom 2, as long as we've got our selection right. Click the top option, and you can see there'll be a small line, or a small darker line that will appear, and now when we scroll down, you can see it's keeping the headers. And so that's how to freeze a row. It's very simple to freeze a column as well. If we go to Freeze Panes and Unfreeze, this time if we select column C, go to Freeze Panes, and then go to Freeze Panes. You can now see if we were to scroll to the right, the date column will stay there. And so that's how to freeze rows and columns in Microsoft Excel. Thankfully it's nice and simple. If you found the video helpful, make sure you leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.